Welcome back, everybody. I'm Nate Moore. This is Excel video 508. I'm sending this to you from Tacoma, Washington, where I'm on site to speak at the Washington, Oregon MGMA meeting tomorrow. If I haven't spoken to your meeting lately, I'd love to. What we're going to play with today is legends and data cards. And I'm not sure in the last Excel video if I was clear enough on what's what. This is the legend for the map, where we're going to say, here's the hospital and the provider. And this is, if I click on one of these, this is a data card that tells you about individual data points. I can get it by hovering and see the individual data points. We're going to customize both of those in today's Excel video. So notice one thing I can do is I can drag this around and I can resize it a bit if that helps me. Or I can do that to, if I want it to be bigger. But let's just assume, hey, I only want it to be as big as I want it to be. Let's customize it a bit. So the easiest way to do it is right-click and edit. And then from there, I've got some ability to change the title and the categories. The categories are things like hospital and provider. And I can change whether it's font and bold and italic and color and a background color and that kind of thing. The thing that I can't change from here, if I click or right click or whatever, I can't change layer 1. Let's talk just a bit about the layers for a minute. One of the things that's important when we do this map is we're going to be able to put multiple layers on the same map so we can plot multiple sets of data on one map. The deal is that this is called layer 1 by default. If I wanted to change this to hospital or provider, this is going to show or hide the layer. This is going to rename and this is going to delete the layer. Let's rename. So let's put, I'm going to call it, well, I was going to call it source. I changed it. Hospital or provider will work for me. So now I've got hospital provider there, and you say, oh, that's too long. So now I'm going to come back and change it to source. And I've changed the legend title, and we've talked in earlier Excel videos about how to change the legend color. So I'm good to go on the legend. Now let's talk about the data card. I can click here, and then this settings will give me the ability to customize the data card. First thing, let's do the easy part first. I can change templates. So if I change here, notice how the data moves around the data card based on the different templates that are there. The other thing I can do is I can come here and say, all right, this is referred by zip. That's what my data is. Let's click OK here one time so you can see it. So there's referred by zip, the total not referred, and is it a hospital or provider. What I could do is come over here and I could change the name. So if my data came in one way and I wanted to make it a more abbreviated description, for example, edit will do this, and I could come down here and edit the names here, or I could change the aggregation so I want an average instead of a sum. I can even add fields to the data card, and it shows up the way that the data card plays. And you'll see here the value is going to show up as a count here, and if I come over here, this is the value there. You see how I can tweak the way the data card looks simply by hovering and doing the settings. The other place to get this from data, and then there's filters and then layer options. If I expand layer options, down at the very bottom, I'm going to get the same customized data card. For me, it's easier to pick the gear, but you can get it from data card and customize as well. Those are two ways to provide additional information in a legend and in a data card about your map. We've talked a bit about some of these options. We've talked about filters. We've talked about layer options. Let's play a bit with more of this data tab, and we'll do it in the next Excel video. Thanks for watching.